Hello, Beverly. How are you doing?
Never been better.
Great. Look at this sentence. Does word date here mean the same thing or different things?
I am buying dates on the very same date when you are having a date. I have no clue what all those words mean.
Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will know the difference between these homonyms and would be able to use them.
Okay, I hope so.
Hello, my beautiful watchers. This video is about...
Date.
Exactly.
Date sounds intriguing.
I know that you've started dating recently, but that's not the only meaning of this word.
No? But these words are exactly the same.
I know these three words may look alike, but they are not related.
Not related? How is that possible?
They are homonyms.
Homonyms?
Homonyms are words that have the same sound and the same spelling, but mean different things. The word date can mean the sweet brown fruit of the palm. For example, I like cookies with raisins and chopped dates.
Me too!
This same word can also mean the time of an event or the day of the month.
Holy guacamole!
For example, the date of his birth. On this date in history. The synonyms would be appointment, engagement, rendezvous, or rendezvous, as the French say.
Is today's date the 4th or the 5th?
Today is the 6th of February.
It's almost Valentine's Day.
Yes. The third meaning of...
I know! The third meaning of this word is a romantic meeting or a person with whom you have a romantic date.
Well done, Beverly. I know you've had a Zoom date recently.
Yes, check it out here.
Give me some examples.
Do you have a date for the dance?
I asked her for a date.
Who?
Nobody, it's just an example.
Ah.
Repeat after me. Date, date, date. Now you.
Date, date, date. So this one word or all three words are written identically?
Yes. If you've noticed, they are not only written identically, they are also pronounced the same way.
But how will I know which is which?
The context will help you identify the meaning.
It's hard.
I have a quiz for you to help to remember the difference.
Okay.
Choose the right answer. So come on, tell us, who's your date this evening? A particular day, month, or year when something happens? Sweet brown sticky fruit with a hard narrow seed inside that grows on palm trees? A person you have a romantic meeting with?
C.
That's right.
Woohoo!
Number 2. We've written to him asking him if he's free on that date, but we haven't had an answer yet. The meaning of date in this sentence is the same as in, if necessary, we can always change the dates of our trip. George finally asked Wendy out on a date yesterday. Fruits like dates are said to be good for your health.
A.
And that's the right answer.
Yes.
Do you know how you'll spend Valentine's Day, Beverly?
No.
Check out my flowchart to learn the best way to spend this Valentine's Day.
I will, thanks. Not sure how to spend Valentine's Day? out the flowchart.
Thank you for watching. I hope now you know the difference between
Date, date, and date.
Be safe and see you in the next one. Bye.
Goodbye.
Round 3.